Hello there, friends. I am in my living room enjoying a wonderful cup of coffee while I confess to you all the things I have lost this month. I have lost my work keys, my earbuds, my favorite pen, and a car key. Whenever I lose something, I do reflect on my father's advice when he said, if you want to find it, clean up. Over the years, I have realized there are 4 stages of cleaning that you have to endure to find something that is lost. First, you need to tidy up. Put away books, hang clothes in the closet. If you don't find something then, you need to go to surface cleaning, such as dusting your shelves and vacuuming your floors. If that doesn't find anything that's lost, then you need to do the deep cleaning method of making your space a total mess. And if you still can't find something that is lost, you need to call in some help. A family member, a friend, or a professional. So far, I've only found my favorite pen, so the cleaning continues. In Luke chapter 15, we read about many items that are lost: a sheep, a coin, and a son. We also read about individuals such as a father, a woman, and a shepherd who notice something that they love is lost. When something we love is lost, our lives are a mess. And so we go searching to find it. Jesus searched for those who were lost and who were unloved in the world. He not only loved them, but he welcomed them into the kingdom. My prayer for us this weekend is to find everything that is lost and to take one simple step in mission as we love God and love neighbor by noticing someone who is lost and welcoming them in great love. Take care and blessings to your weekend.